Troopers spotted a Dodge Avenger that had previously fled from Atlanta PD. When they tried to stop it, the driver, 𝗪𝗲𝗪 Washington, took off recklessly, ignoring traffic laws and endangering the public.
Atlanta 139 up front there. Yep.
Hit attempt.
I'm just a passenger. Please, sir. I don't have, I got my phone. Can you get my phone, please, sir? That's all I got.
They got the out. It's okay.
A silver Infiniti fled from West Memphis PD at Southland Casino, linked to a prostitution case. Troopers joined the chase on Interstate 40, where the Infiniti hit another car while trying to escape on the shoulder.
4-seater coming up behind me.
1044. Put your hands up!
Trooper clocked a white Chevy Tahoe speeding at 92 miles per hour on I-40. The driver, Kyron Jones, initially pulled over, but then fled, leading officers on a high-speed chase through residential areas with lights off, running red lights, and reaching over 100 miles per hour.
GSP. Can you take back over and go to our report?
Yeah, 10-4. I was. And this is. Are they on our channel or are they still on PDASP? Okay, 10-4. Yeah, try to keep it inside. I was originally chasing on 40. He took military on me.
South on cam. Light traffic. Coming up to 33rd, light traffic. Still blacked out. 33rd, light traffic blacked out. Going through 33rd is a light. Coming up to the 40 on-ramp. We're going to continue to 𝗪𝗂𝗪𝗶𝗿 on car number 2, speeds are 90, no traffic. That Taurus, you're going to move over, let the state take front. I'm now car 3, there's one unit in front of me, we're past the 24th, still south on 𝗪𝗂𝗪𝗶𝗿. No traffic. Past the 24th, south on Macon, no traffic. TVI.
Don't you move, motherfucker! You're gonna catch it again! Give me your hand! I was scared. Y'all still on PDHP?
No, I'm on channel 1.
Adam 13 Little Rock on South. We're 10-15 with them now. Hey, is that vehicle cleared?
I was scared.
What's up? He was the only one I saw on the vehicle.
I went past him.
Okay.
Mama.
13 Little Rock. We've got multiple North Little Rock PD out here. You can start me at 10-11. I'll get you a 20 in just a second. 10-15.